Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing for you. This is a lens shield, or you've got 5 pieces for the Samsung S22 Ultra. I'm not going to be able to put them on because I'm doing the video with my Samsung 22 Ultra. So I'm going to open this up real quick and let's see what we got in here. All right. Okay, we've got some wet wipes and dry wipes, and we have the lenses. Okay, looks like we'll just take this off and use the adhesive back here and just place it on my Samsung S22 Ultra. It has 5 lenses on it, so it looks like we've got the right pair. It says S22 there. So I'm going to be back and let you guys see what this looks like. Make it a great day.